Hello, thinking about moving out of California, whether you headed to Phoenix, Las Vegas, if you headed to Oregon, Austin, or Idaho's pave, one of the best ways to move long distance is a dedicated truck. This video I will explain what that means and why it's worth, and what you can expect when working with us. And what is a dedicated truck? A dedicated truck means the UV long geeks are the only ones in the truck who knows everything, locks the truck, drives it straight to a new home, more transfers, no stops for other customers, and no mix and ship limits. Why go dedicated? Dedicated moving is the safest, fastest, and most reliable option, especially for out-of-state haulers. Here what you get: fast delivery, usually 2 to 4 days delivery, depending on the destination, set pickup and delivery dates. Peace of mind, your items stay wrapped, secure, and handled by the same crew. What that means is the same mover who wrap all your items, take apart the bed, take apart the mirror from the drawer or dresser, is gonna be the same mover who put it back together and install it back in a new fold. Popular destination we serve. So we run dedicated routes every week to this destination like Arizona, different cities like Phoenix, Scottsdale, Las Vegas, Nevada, Portland, Oregon, Austin and Dallas in Texas, and Boise, Idaho, and Salt Lake City. Whether it's a one-bedroom apartment or whole-bedroom home, we'll tailor your move to fit your timeline. Alright, so let's take a look on how much does it cost to move a long-distance job. Anywhere in California to Phoenix, Arizona would be about $3,500 to $5,000 for the full move. For the moving company, usually for dedicated truck from anywhere in California to Las Vegas, it would be $3,000 to $4,500. From anywhere in California to Austin or Dallas, Texas, it would be around $5,500 to $75,000. And to the states like Idaho, Salt Lake City, we would call $45,000 to $65,000 to move the whole dedicated truck. So why the customer choose us? We license an issue with moving company and we treat your move. These are all no subcontractors, no guessing, just one crew, one truck on a clear timeline. Again, we're not hiring temporary workers, we'll not subcontract any random people on your job. All people who help us as just a full-time employees from our company. If you're planning to move out of California, give us a call or request a free quote online. I'll answer your questions and help you plan a smooth, dedicated, long-distance, cool start to finish. My name is Daniel. I'm the owner of Furniture Moving. Thanks, take care. Bye.